history behind sweet paprika. Paprika is a powdered orange-red colored spice. It does not come from one specific plant. It's made from a variety of ground and dried chili peppers. The taste, heat, and flavor of the paprika will vary depending on the peppers used. The flavor can range from sweet and mild to smoky and hot. Paprika originated in southern Mexico, Central America, and the Antilles Islands. It was used for both seasoning and food, as well as medicine for healing. According to internet lore, Christopher Columbus discovered and introduced it to Europe. Sometime after Christopher Columbus brought it from the New World, paprika made its way to Hungary. It has been a staple in Hungarian food ever since they gave it its name, paprika. Paprika was not used in the West until sometime during the mid-1900s. Today, Hungary, Spain, South America, and the Mediterranean, India, and California are all major producers of sweet paprika. Hi, my name is Doretha and I work for the Live Oak Public Library. Today we're going to be doing a recipe with sweet paprika, which is the spice of the month. Today's recipe comes from the New African American Kitchen by Angela Shelf Medeiros, and the recipe is red rice. The ingredients you'll need for the recipe are 6 slices of lean bacon, 1 cup of finely chopped onion, 1/2 red bell pepper seeded and finely chopped, 1 cup of uncooked rice, 1/8 of a teaspoon of Tabasco sauce, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of drained chopped tomatoes, and 1.5 cups of cold water. So now we have cooked our 6 slices of bacon in the skillet and pulled that off and crumbled it for the top of the rice mixture when we get through. We saved a couple of tablespoons of bacon grease, and to that I'm going to add the 1/2 cup of chopped onion and bell pepper, and we're going to just brown that in the pot here. So we'll saute that over a medium heat, stirring until the onion is soft but not real brown, just starting to brown. So we softened the onions and peppers, and now we're going to add the rice and coat the rice with the mixture to make sure it gets some of the bacon grease on it. So that's all coated, and we're going to add our seasoning, the paprika, the sugar, the salt, and pepper to that. And then we will also add 1/8 of a teaspoon of Tabasco sauce, which I'm not going to measure, I'll just dump that in, and 1.5 cups of water, and the chopped, drained tomatoes. So we're going to bring the mixture to a boil, and when on high heat, and then we're going to put the lid on and cook the mixture for about 15 minutes. Brought the mixture to a boil, and now we're reducing the heat to cook for 15 minutes. So we've cooked the rice, and we turned the temperature down on low, and now we've let it sit off the burner for 10 minutes. And it's ready to serve. So we'll just kind of stir that around a little bit to get the tomato and onion mixture back together. And we're going to dip that up on the plate and do some bacon on the top for garnish and flavor. There you go, that's your finished product. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you look out for more from the Swanee River Regional Library in the future.